Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we break down the tech world in simple terms. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Today, we're diving into the world of web hosting to review a service that's been making waves. Web Hosting Service Hosting. Host. If you've ever wanted to launch a website but felt overwhelmed by all the hosting options, you're not alone. We'll walk through what this service offers, how it stands out from the crowd, the pros and cons, and finally, my verdict on whether it's worth your time and money. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is web hosting service hosting? For those unfamiliar, web hosting is like renting space on the internet to store your website. Without a hosting service, your site has nowhere to live, and no one can access it. Web Hosting Service. Hosting provides this space, but with a modern twist. Their aim is to simplify the process while maintaining high performance. This hosting provider caters to everyone, from beginners with personal blogs to businesses needing scalable solutions. They offer various hosting types: shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, and even managed WordPress hosting for WordPress enthusiasts. Now, what makes web hosting service hosting different from the sea of competitors? Let's break it down. User-friendly interface. Their dashboard is sleek, intuitive, and designed to make setup a breeze for beginners. Speed. They leverage cutting-edge technology like SSD storage, CDN integration, and optimized server locations to ensure fast loading times. Uptime guarantee. They boast a 99.99% uptime guarantee, which is essential for businesses relying on their websites to stay online. Scalability. Whether you're starting small or managing a growing business, they offer flexible plans to accommodate your needs. Eco-friendly. They're committed to reducing their carbon footprint by using renewable energy sources. It's a nice touch for those looking to be environmentally conscious. These features collectively set them apart, especially for users prioritizing ease of use and performance. Let's talk about the positives of web hosting service hosting. Here's what I loved. Affordable pricing. Compared to competitors, their entry-level plans are reasonably priced and packed with features like free SSL certificates and domain registration. 24/7 customer support. Their support team is available round the clock through live chat, phone, and email. Plus, the response times are quick. Advanced security features like DDoS protection, malware scanning, and automatic backups come standard. Beginner-friendly. Their setup wizard, tutorials, and knowledge base make it easy for even non-tech-savvy users to get started. Global reach. They have multiple data centers worldwide, so users can choose a location closest to their target audience, reducing latency. These strengths make web hosting service hosting a strong contender for both newbies and pros alike. Of course, no service is perfect. Here are some areas where web hosting service hosting falls short. Limited resources on entry-level plans. While affordable, the cheapest plans can feel restrictive if your site experiences a sudden traffic surge. Upselling attempts. During checkout, you might notice some aggressive upselling for add-ons like extra security or performance boosters. No free site migration for basic plans. If you're moving an existing website, you might need to pay for migration services unless you're on a premium plan. Learning curve for advanced features. While beginner-friendly for basic tasks, power users might find some advanced features slightly harder to configure. While these drawbacks aren't deal-breakers, they're worth keeping in mind when deciding. All right, now for the moment of truth. Is web hosting service hosting worth it? For beginners and small businesses, the user-friendly setup, excellent support, and affordable pricing make this a standout choice. If you're looking for reliable performance without diving too deep into technical details, it's a fantastic option. That said, if you're a large-scale operation or need highly customized server environments, you might outgrow their services quickly. Host. Overall, I'd give web hosting service hosting a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it strikes a great balance of features, price, and ease of use. And that's it for today's review. What do you think of web hosting service hosting? Have you tried it? Or do you have another favorite hosting provider? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with anyone looking for hosting options, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.